Personnel policies, procedures, and programs. Aims and objectives of personnel policies: achieve organizational objectives, information to employees, cooperation from employees, enabling conditions for employees, provide adequate, competent, trained personnel, protect common interests, employee participation in management, develop mutual faith, mutual confidence, employment security, growth opportunity, pay fair wages, recognize accomplishments, and create a sense of responsibility. Need for personnel policy. Needs of organization and employees are considered deeply. Uniform treatment to all, no favoritism and discrimination. Policy ensures that practices are not dependent on individuals. Consistency and long-term stability of practices is assured. Policies should spell out routes to organizational goals and define employee contribution needed to achieve organizational goals. Policies serve as measures for evaluating employee output. Sound policies build employee enthusiasm and loyalty. Guide pattern of management behavior, giving confidence to employees, and ensure consistency of response to routine issues. Principles of personnel policies: the right man in the right place, train employees to perform, achieve coordination, supply the right tools, create the right conditions, provide security, opportunity, incentive, and recognition. Personnel records, reports, audit, and research. Significance of records and reports. Records and reports are needed to provide information to government agencies, conduct research on industrial relations, enable training and development programs, review and revise pay scales, maintain data on leave records, transfers, promotions, dismissals, strikes, lockouts, man days lost, expenditure incurred on employee benefits, cases of indiscipline, and other personnel matters. Records can be defined as preservation of information for long-term use. They are generally compiled from reports. Records contain information on job analysis, job evaluation, job description, recruitment, selection, and test scores. They also contain information on physical examination results, interviewers' notations, training and development, appraisals, transfers and promotions, and disciplinary action. Records are also information on salaries, wages, provident fund contribution, employee benefit programs, safety and accident measures and procedures, and labor disputes. Reports also contain information on cost of retirement, absenteeism, labor turnover, and suggestion schemes. Essentials of a good record are: clearly stated objective for maintenance, meets requirements for which it is maintained, economical to maintain, secure from tampering, pilferage, destruction, periodic review and updation, easily identifiable and differentiated from other records, different type of records maintained independently, duplication avoided, some person held responsible for maintenance and updation. Reports. A report is a statement describing an event a happening, a situation. It is an evaluation of an enterprise, product, or person. It describes what has happened at regular intervals, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. It contains data on various matters concerning personnel management, such as employment, recruitment, accidents, benefits, transfers, promotions, layoffs, etc. Essentials of a good report. A good report should deal with a specific objective, dwell on issues referred to the person making it, report the data and interpret it honestly, contain data on all aspects of personnel management. It should make specific recommendations, be timely and actionable, be clearly worded and easy to understand, illustrate points to strengthen the observations made, be reader oriented. Personnel audit. Personnel auditing is an examination and evaluation of policies, procedures, and practices to determine the effectiveness of personnel management. It tells management what should be done in the future as a result of such measurement. Objectives of personnel audit. Review the way in which management develops, allocates, and supervises human resources to understand what happened and why, to evaluate to what extent policies have been implemented, to evaluate the personnel staff. Importance of personnel audit. Personnel audit has become important because managements are convinced that employee involvement and participation is critical to success. Government intervention to protect employee interests have increased the company's need to comply with laws and regulations governing personnel. Increased role played by trade unions forces management to pay attention to personnel issues. The growing need for higher skills and training, as well as the increasing manpower costs due to higher wages, requires more effective management of personnel affairs.